Welcome to SkillSeed, your hub for all things learning. Today, we're diving into a powerful learning technique that can revolutionize your understanding of complex subjects. We're talking about the Feynman Technique, named after the renowned physicist Richard Feynman. Stick with us as we delve into how this method can transform your learning process. Richard Feynman was a Nobel Prize-winning physicist known for his ability to explain complex scientific ideas in simple, accessible language. The Feynman Technique is a method for learning or reviewing a concept by explaining it in plain, simple terms. The technique has 4 steps. 1. Choose the concept you want to understand. 2. Teach it to a child or someone unfamiliar with the topic. 3. Identify gaps in your explanation. Go back to your sources to better understand it. 4. Review and simplify. Let's break down these steps. Step 1. Choose the concept. Start by selecting a topic that you want to understand. Write down everything you know about the topic. This helps you visualize your current understanding. Step 2. Teach it to a child. Now pretend that you have to explain this topic to a child. Keep in mind that children have a limited vocabulary and short attention span. Your explanation should be simple and engaging. For instance, if you were explaining the concept of gravity, you might say something like, "Gravity is like a magnet that's inside the Earth. It pulls everything towards it, and that's why things fall down instead of floating away." Step 3. Identify the gaps. If you struggle to simplify your explanation, it's a sign that you don't fully understand the concept. Identify these areas of confusion and revisit your source material to enhance your understanding. Step 4. Review and simplify. Once you've filled the gaps in your understanding, review your explanation. Simplify your language, use analogies, and make sure the concept is as clear as possible. The Feynman Technique is not just about understanding new concepts. It can also help you revise what you've learned, deepen your understanding, and discover new connections between different ideas. To recap, the Feynman Technique is a powerful tool that leverages the power of teaching and simplicity to enhance learning. By choosing a concept, teaching it in simple terms, identifying gaps, and then simplifying further, you can gain a deep and comprehensive understanding of even the most complex ideas. So why not give the Feynman Technique a try? Next time you're struggling with a complex idea or preparing for an exam, remember to break it down and keep it simple. And don't forget to let us know in the comments how it worked for you. That's all for today. Remember, learning is a journey, and using the right techniques can make it an exciting adventure. Be sure to try the Feynman Technique and let us know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insight into effective learning techniques. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.